Hello everyone, this is Pinky Kada. I'm an MPH student in GD Goenka University. Today I am here with the topic of tuberculosis, which we call as TB. And before years, we used to be having more cases in TB just because of very minute issues. Let me tell you the natural history of TB, the tuberculosis. First, I am going with the agent factor, in which we are having agent and source of infection and communicability. Agent factor, the main causative organism here in tuberculosis is Mycobacterium tuberculum, Mycobacillus. It is an bacillus bacteria. This is the type of bacteria. This bacteria will be the source in man and cattle. Mainly cattle is not so infected, but still in humans it's an bovine strain. This is in the cattle, and in man it's just sputum. So this is where these two are. This strain, the bovine strain, is in the cattle, where the infection spreads, and in the human it is about the sputum, where the infection stores. And also the communicability. As I already mentioned, there is like the infection will be communicable from person to person. Here also the communicability is like more high percentage is true. If we get close contact with the infected person, you will be having more chance of getting this TB. And coming to the host factor, we are having age, sex, nutrition and immunity. In age, rather than talking about the developed countries, the countries like developing countries like India, age is like the children with the age of 5 to 20 are most affected than the elder people. And also coming to sex, males are more prone to TB rather than females. And nutrition, malnutrition is also a source or a cause of the tuberculosis. And immunity, if you are not having taken the BCG vaccine, this is a vaccine which is named as BCG. If you are not taking this vaccine, you will be not having the immunity to fight against the Mycobacterium tuberculum. And coming to the social factors, like what are the main causes are low quality of living. If we are having poor quality of life, we are more prone, and also poor housing. If we are overcrowded and we are undernutrition, and we have the habits like smoking, alcohol and drugs. And also if we don't know the knowledge about the TB, like how should we maintain the distance and all, which means the lack of knowledge. And early marriage is also a cause of it, and also large families also a cause of social factor. And now coming to the mode of transmission, there are two types of transmissions only in the pulmonary tuberculosis. There are, rather than extra pulmonary tuberculosis also there, which means there is no effect from the droplets. But coming to the pulmonary means the lung, which means where we are having sputum in the lungs, sputum from the lungs. When we are getting the mycobacterium in the sputum, where the lungs are affected, which is called as pulmonary tuberculosis. In terms of pulmonary tuberculosis, the droplet from one person to another person by coughing and sneezing, and also droplet nucleus. The nuclei infection is also mainly, this is not like accurate, but the droplet is like by causing sneezing and by coughing, we are more prone to tuberculosis. This is the mode of transmission. And coming to the incubation period, it may last. This is like if I got stuck with the infection from another person, if I got a droplet from another person and I got infected, then it takes 3 to 6 weeks to diagnose. Like I'm having tuberculosis, it takes 3 to 6 weeks approximately. But the incubation period of the, if it is untreatable, if you are not treating the disease, if you are not taking the medication, then the incubation period of this may leads to years or sometime lifelong. So these are the natural history, this is the natural history of the tuberculosis, and these are the causative organisms, and these are the social factors and mode of transmissions from which the TB was being transmitted from one person to the another person. Thank you.